Hi friends, Nan Danford here, bringing you the numbers from last week in our local area of Fair Oaks, Orangeville, and Citrus Heights. So this past week we had 23 new listings, which is down a bit from the week before. But for the last 3 weeks, we have seen numbers in the 20s as far as new listings, which is less than what we saw in the fall, where they were ranging between 30 and 40. Of those new listings, we had 9 or almost 40% go pending the very first week, and that was as of this morning. Now, I'm sure that more have gone pending as of now. They're just getting so many offers that it's hard to get through them all and get them listed as pending by today. We also had 9 come back on the market. So we still are seeing a significant number of escrows fail. Hopefully that will stop or lessen as we move forward. But there still is extreme competition for buyers out there, with it not unusual to get 20 offers on a property priced under $500,000. So if you're thinking about buying or selling, or if you would like information about your local area, I'd be happy to provide that for you. Just give me a call or text me at 916-295-4151. I can get you all the stats on your neighborhood in particular and give you the value of your home so you can see how much equity you have. Prices are up and interest rates are down. So it's a great time to sell your home and also a great time to buy. Anyway, enjoy the rain. We certainly need it, and hope you have a really great week. Until next week.